Okay, we just left Bryce Canyon National Park. This is still technically part of the park. It's just outside of the park. But it's called Mossy Cave Trail, 0.4 one way. Let's go check it out. So it looks like from the trail, you go up and around and you're at the top of the waterfall. Shane wants to be at the bottom, so we're gonna see if we can make it go this way. We're gonna see if we can make it over there without getting soaked. Down to the bottom of the Mossy Cave Trail waterfall. Totally worth the hike, guys. This thing is awesome. So the waterfall was ridiculous, and now apparently there's a cave out here too, so we're gonna go venture off and look at that too. So there are still ice chunks left in that cave, but during the winter, if you come here, it's all frozen icicles hanging down. That's what the picture of the Mossy Cave showed. So me and Shane are trying to make it up to the windows. We found a little path that leads up there, so we're going to check those out. Y'all, me and Shane are sitting on our butts up here. These rocks are really slippery. Almost at the very, very top.
It's too sketchy though.
It's a little too sketchy. I'm not gonna risk it from this side, so.
I'm gonna slide back down.
Yep, we're sliding back down.